of objects and come back to them in the form of a picture. It's kind of like a superpower, wouldn't you say? All right, let's see how it works. The soft eye cups are on Tatum's eyes. He's moving his head side to side. He went right to the object. He can't see it, ladies and gentlemen, but he went right to it. Brought it back to Josh. Let's hear it for Tatum. Excellent demonstration. Now, this next demonstration is called tail lobbing. We've seen dolphins slap their tail on the surface of the water, which scares fish, at which point those dolphins grab as many fish as they can. Excellent demonstration, working cooperatively. Let's hear it for that awesome tail lobbing demonstration. How many of you were taught not to play with your food at dinner time? It's just good manners, isn't it? Well, that's what this next hunting demonstration is all about. Whacking your food before you eat it. It's called fish whacking. And we're going to see this as Molly throws in that beach ball. As it comes to you, just hang on to it. Nice job, Tatum. Excellent demonstration of fish whacking. Now, Tatum is our youngest. Let's see if Allie, one of our oldest, can demonstrate this. There's about 75 pounds difference between Allie and Tatum. Let's see if this is any stronger. Nice job. I think they both did an excellent demonstration. Now, if dolphins are hunting together, often they'll communicate by splashing the surface of the water. This sound travels miles and miles. But we're not talking about an ordinary splash. Oh no, this is called a breach. Did you guys come to see dolphins leap and jump? All right, so let's check this out. Topeka, our oldest female dolphin, shows it off here on the front right, left side of the pool. Wow, nice job, Topeka. Spree does a beautiful side breach. Let's check this out. Wonderful job, Spree. Here comes Nolani front and center with a back breach. Excellent work. Let's hear it for those awesome breaching demonstrations.